check out our newest feature release. Multi-file upload is now supported on forms. Our CRM allows users to easily upload and manage multiple files from forms. Why this matters and how it could help you and your business. With this update, now your users, your clients, your prospects, whoever is utilizing your forms can easily drag and upload multiple files to a single form. You can also delete incorrect files before finalizing the upload. This is great because sometimes the people that are using our forms, they make mistakes just like we do, and this allows them to fix that. And now we also have an upgraded handling of file uploads with CSV exports, email notifications, and autoresponders. Okay, so let me simplify that. Basically, now the person utilizing the form is going to get a notification. They're going to know that you received everything, and they're going to get an auto response confirming that. I absolutely love this new feature update, and I think you guys will too. So let's go ahead and add a form or a survey. So this is actually going to work on both forms and surveys. So let's go ahead to Sites, and then let's select forms for this example, but just so you know, you could use forms or surveys. And as always, you can start from scratch or you can use a template. Now in that form, let's go ahead and add a new custom field. So inside of the builder, you're going to click the plus button highlighted there in the upper left-hand area of my screenshot. From there, we're going to select Custom Fields, and then we're going to click the Add Custom Fields button at the bottom in blue. What you're going to see is this new little kind of pop-up window. You may have seen this before depending on if you've ever created any type of custom field within your forms. So what I'm actually going to have you select is File Upload, and then click Next. Now you're going to go ahead and customize this the same way you normally would. You're going to go ahead and name that. For our example, we've named it Test File Upload. I personally like to keep these pretty short and sweet, but name it in a way that you understand what it is so that it's easy to find it later. And then after you've customized everything, you can decide if you want what type of files you want to be uploaded, if you want all of them. Now you're also going to see the allow multiple files to be uploaded. Now for our example, we've clicked all. We're allowing PDFs, docs, JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, CSVs, which is a new update, and then allowing multiple files. And we're going to go ahead and save. Now let's go back to that form. When we're in that form, the main area, go ahead and click on the plus button for the form elements, and you're going to select custom fields. Now, if you remember what you named that, you can start to type it in, or you can just search through the list. And so here is ours. It's highlighted in green, Test File Upload. And so now I'm just simply going to drag that over into my layout. Now that that is added to the layout, you can see it right here. Go ahead and if you'd like, you can preview that, but make sure that you definitely save it. What's great about this now is now you can add both CSV files, which is new, but you can also have your user upload multiple files. This is a great update that I absolutely love. So when they have sent that all of the file information and they've submitted their form, they're going to go ahead and now get this confirmation email, which is also going to show them what files they uploaded, what they filled out, what information they provided. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.